Assalamu alaikum. It's Friday and I'm making plan to get a haircut. As you can see, I'm not looking so smarty boy in this hairstyle. I thought I should get a haircut today. And everything is very expensive here compared to my state, Uttar Pradesh. People already has gone. I'm always late as every day. People working over there. You can see a welder is welding on. I love morning sunbathe. Morning sunbathe gives you vitamin D. Doctor says that. I'm gonna keep my camera inside my pocket because I'm about to reach in the company. I don't want to open it in front of guard of the company. Yeah, they will ask me about this camera. How can I provide them answer? People going to their work. We were working in the company. Suddenly a person informed me that the electrodes has ran out, so now we are going to buy electrodes from the shop. My father's car parking here in the last, so now I'm about to go to market buy my father's car. So finally the time has come today drive my father's car. Oh, where is the key? Key is in my pocket. Car has been unlocked. The market is 5 to 10 kilometers away from the company. I'm going by my father's car. If I take public transport, so it will charge extra money. I thought I should take my father's car to the market. It would be better. So now I'm going with uncle. We have brought the electrodes in the company. As you can see, we purchased 2 box of electrodes. One is here, second is over there. And what is the price of one box? 2,312 rupees only. I think the electrodes is really expensive here. Only electric rods isn't expensive here. As I believe everything expensive is here. Now all workers has started their work without any drawback of materials. I'm gonna get a haircut right now. It's 12:18 and I would like to get a small hairstyle. So finally right now I'm in the salon. So I chose this hairstyle. As you can see, the barber has started the cutting and I believe I'm gonna look smart. Yeah, because I chose one different hairstyle in various categories. And I would like to inform you that the price of hairstyle is little bit expensive here compared to my state. I can get hairstyle in 30 or 40 rupees in my state, but here I'm getting hairstyle in 100 rupees. According to this area, this is a good price. Almost half cutting has been done. You can see around my head. This saloon is in very small place. Yeah, this is a small saloon. I think 2 people can get hairstyle at one time, but it's better. This is my final look after getting a new hairstyle. I love small hairstyle. My father also likes small hairstyle. So now my father won't say anything. Yeah, you can look around my head. I'm looking good. It's time for pay. Here you go. So now I need to take shower. After that I'll go for perform Juma. Oh my god, it's 12:44. I think I'm getting late for perform the prayer, so I have to work quickly. Yeah, I can be late because first of all I'll take shower and I'll wear my clothes, so I have to walk fastly as much as possible. Alhamdulillah, we performed Friday prayer here in that mosque, as you can see, and this mosque is really beautiful from inside, and people heading from the mosque. This mosque is 10 kilometers away from our company where actually I'm working. and we took auto rickshaw to reach here. Now we are going back to the company again. So I think our team's one person is inside the mosque still. So we are waiting for him. When he will come back, then we will go. Now we are going to look the auto rickshaw across the road. I think we will get auto rickshaw over there. As you can see, some auto rickshaw parking over there. We are 4 members, as you can see, and one person fare is 20 rupees. Oh my god, today is very traffic on the road. Oh, auto rickshaw is waiting for us. So finally we took auto rickshaw, as you can see. Now we are going back to our work, and you can see we are 6 members in this auto rickshaw. Oh, he got one more passenger. The passenger is coming. I think he will sit on the rear seat. Yeah, he sat down. Now auto rickshaw has started again. Finally, we have arrived at our destination. Now it's time to pay fare. Now he will give me 30 rupees back. Thank you. Finally, I got my change back. Now we have to cross the road, and it's really difficult task. I'm on the work again. It's evening time. I was not feeling well, so I'm shooting my blog lately. By the way, my all team members are working. 4 people working in that corner, 3 or 4 people working in that corner, and 2 people are working inside this tank. Oh wow, what a beautiful view. You can see the moon. You know, you look like a moon. I'm just joking. No, you really look like a moon. Today's air condition is really unhealthy. I'm really feeling cold. I think I got fever. He's my brother. He's working with us. His name is Ayan Ali. I think he's all-rounder. He can do every work in this field. I parked my father's car in the colony. Now I want to buy cucumber. I think I'll go on the vegetable shop. My uncle buying the package of milk. This is the owner of this shop. Now he's weighing bananas. He has many customers at evening or in the morning. As I told you, I wanted to buy cucumber, so finally I found the shop of vegetable. I want half kg cucumber. So here is the bag of cucumber. I think the cucumber is really fresh. This is eggplant. This is beans, coriander, green coriander. What is the price of cucumber here? It's 60 rupees per kg. It's not very expensive, but expensive compared to my state. Finally, I purchased half kg cucumber. Now I'm gonna make salad in the dinner. I'm back on my accommodation. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, then subscribe, hit the bell icon. I'll meet you in another episode. Till then, okay, bye.